welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in the 3000 objective question series for JAIIB. I'm covering RBWM, others are covering other subjects, PPP, IIFS, AFM. Okay, so follow the series completely. Share this video with your friends, share it on all your social media platforms, like the channel, subscribe to the channel. Do it first. Okay, let's move on. Very important questions are covered regarding RBWM. Okay, follow it on a daily basis. Okay, from the information given below, identify X. Now you have to identify something blank. This is what you have to first. X essentially involves collecting data from several disparate sources to build a central data warehouse to store and analyze the data. It typically stores both internal data and data pertaining to its competitors. Data mining techniques can be applied for knowledge of discovery. X also allows banks to perform time series analysis and online analytical processing to answer various business operations that would put the banks ahead of the competitors. Means what? What is the actual question? See, there is something X. Now let's see this. Okay, this is something X. This is X. Okay, in this X, what is happening? Data is coming from various sources, competitors, competition, okay. Second, it typically stores internally and data pertaining to the competitors. So competitors plus your internal processes, all these things, etc. You can write it. Many others also, etc. So data is coming over here and it is going to the specific department. See this, warehousing, mining techniques are done. Mining techniques means they are going to, suppose if I want finance related data, so I get finance related data. I want marketing related data, I get marketing related data. So output is this, per specific department I get the specific data. So what is this X called as? Data storage, algorithm, processing, warehouse. Think over it. What is it called as? Yes, it is warehouse. Okay, that is called a data warehousing. Data warehousing means storing the data from various different sources, and when you are required, you can mine it. Mine it means you can extract the required data. Okay. Given below are the statements and the reason, means assertion and the reason. You have to find out which one is the correct one. Okay. So what is the statement? Assertion we call it. Statement, assertion, one and the same thing. The EMV technology brings more security to cards and mobile systems. Okay, EMV. So this is basically, yeah. So EMV technology brings more security. Now see here, many of us don't know what is EMV. So remember, EMV, any technology will bring more security, right? Electronic technology. Reason, the information transmitted in the card is encrypted and tokenized. Now, is this correct? See, what is EMV? That's what my point was. EMV is basically the chip on that card which we see, the chip which we have, that yellow chip, right? So that is basically EMV. So this basically, what does it mean? It will bring more security. So statement is correct. What about the reason? Information transmitted is encrypted, so it cannot be read by anyone else except the machine. So that is also true. But now look at this, there are two questions over here. One is statement correct, is reason correct? So that is point number one. So both are correct. Okay, and whether they are related. Firstly, here there are two questions, correct and are they related? Related means whether this reason is giving the correct reason for this statement. So are both of them correct? Yes, correct. Okay, A also and R also, both are correct. Are they related to each other? Does R give the correct reason of A? So that is also true. So they are related because it is encrypted, it is safe. So both A and R are true and R is a correct explanation of A. So that is also true. A. Got it? That is the answer. This is how you have to find the answer to this question. Firstly, whether they are correct, and secondly, whether they are related to each other. Okay. Which of the following is the academic research unit of RBI, which keeps studying the opportunities and challenges in the new technology areas? So new tech areas, challenges in new tech areas. Institute of Development and Research in Banking Technology, IDRBT. Okay. Banking Innovation Hub, Institute of Banking and Technology, Technology and Innovation Hub. So which is the one which keeps on researching about the challenges? Here, all of these are under RBI only. But the correct answer over here is this IDRBT. Okay. IDRBT, Institute of Development and Research in Banking Technology. Got it? In which of the following ways AI has been introduced in ATMs? AI means artificial intelligence. How do you introduce AI? Machine learning for cyber security, forecasting ATM cash demand, voice recognition of the customer. So, in which way has the AI been introduced? Machine learning for cyber security, forecasting ATM cash demand, voice recognition of the customer. Think over it. Which one is correct? 2 and 3, 1 and 2, only 3, 1 and 3. All the 3 are not correct. So the answer is this and this. Machine learning for cyber security, that you can do. Voice recognition of the customer means you can recognize the voice of that, but you cannot predict the cash. How do you predict the cash? You will never come to know which customer will come to you for cash. So answer is 1 and 3. Okay, D. Got it? Now before going ahead, everyone subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 English channel. Click on the bell icon. Share the channel. Okay. Join the Mahapacks revision batch. Just now it has started. Join it immediately. You can join the Mahapacks also. In Mahapacks you are getting 15 plus batches per subject. Join it ASAP. I'll show you at the end how to join it. Okay. Let's move on with the questions. And which of the following can incorporate artificial intelligence at the front office, middle office, and back office? Means which of the following can incorporate AI in front, mid, and back office? Means cash deposit machine, AI based algorithm, big data applications, and bank stations. So which of the following can incorporate this AI? Offices. So where can you establish this? And who can do it? Think over it. Yes. It is bank stations. Okay, bank stations is the answer. So which of the following can do it? It can be done by bank station. Now you'll say, what is this? Bank stations. What is this bank station? What do you mean by bank station? See, this bank stations are systems of self-service terminals that delivers the wide range of e-based e-solutions, right? Like bill payments and everything. So these are called as bank stations. Like nowadays we call them kiosk also. It can be called as kiosk also. So these kiosks or bank stations can definitely use this AI, right, for all this front, mid, and back office, right? So that is important point is this bank station. Okay, these are other name can be called as kiosks. Okay, next one. Which of the following are not correct regarding the requirements of well-designed chatbot? Chatbot. Firstly, what is chatbot? What is chatbot? Anyone? Chatbot. Anyone has seen this on any website when you go nowadays? Okay, any website you go, you see immediately you come to know, you get a concept of, let's say, may I help you, right? And then it immediately begins to start chatting. Okay, so that can also, that is basically the chatbot. Means it automatically starts chatting with you. Immediately you say yes, and it starts chatting, right? So that is basically this chatbot. Let me put this, show it over here. Look at this. This image you might be seeing somewhere, chatbot, right? So this is basically this chatbot. Okay. So anyways, so this was just to show you. Okay. So coming back, which of the following is not correct? Okay, we want not correct. Always in the exam, as I regularly tell you, you have to check what is asked, correct or not correct, true or false. Otherwise, you know the answer, but then also you give the wrong answer because you didn't check the question properly. So here we want false statement. Chatbot should provide different experience in different channels, mobile, web, etc. Means, suppose if I go on website, the chatbot should give me some different experience. If I go on app, chatbot should be different. Is it so? Think over it. It should be available round the clock for conversation with the customers. Is it round the clock or somewhere in between, intermittent? From our chatbot is available from morning 6 to evening 6. Is it that? It should be capable of remembering the customer preferences and uses order history to suggest the products. So capable of remembering whatever. Here, chatbot is basically an AI tool. What is the use of AI? AI is used basically to cover, to remember your preferences, okay, and suggest you according to your preferences. So which one is not correct in this case? 1 and 2, only 2, only 1. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Means which one is false over here? So the answer is first one. This is false, right? This is true, and this is also true. It should be capable of remembering the preferences, right? So that is also true. So only false thing is different experiences. It should not happen that way, right? Here, what is a chatbot basically? Virtual assistant, right? Of new AI tools designed to simplify your interaction. Simplify. What do you mean by simplify? Your interaction with the machine, right? With the computers. So it is an example of AI. Simplify means ease. So ease means what? The chatbot has to remember. Okay, has to remember what was our earlier conversation. Okay, so these AI-led machines provide next level digitized and customized interactive experiences to the customers. Okay, a well-designed chatbot should be available round the clock for conversation with the customers. Provide the same experience to the customers throughout any media, any channel. Okay, be able to seamlessly interpret languages commonly conversed. Here, languages also it must understand, commonly conversed. Restricts response format to easy to understand text, image, and means it should always give it in easier format. So it should be able. That's why if you want to make any conversation easier, the chatbot needs to remember what was studied earlier, right, or what was discussed earlier. So the answer is 20th is first, that is false. Among the below mentioned statements, which of the following is correct in context of the characteristics of retail banking? Characteristics of retail banking. Okay. Bank facilities targeted at grouped customers. Focus towards small market segment covering a targeted population of individuals. The retail banking adopts the virtual model of delivery and extended to small and medium size businesses. So you want now correct, true. You want true now. Okay. Think about it. Grouped customers towards small market segment covering targeted population and individuals. Adopts virtual model of delivery and extended to small and medium sized businesses. So we want which one is correct over here. What can be the answers here? A and C, they are all, A and D, they are all in a problem. A and D, that is the real issue. Remaining two you already know. that these are not correct, but A and D. Only the problem is A and D. So which one is correct among A and D? Think about it. Which one is correct among A and D? Yeah. The correct answer is D over here. D. Okay, D. A is also not correct. Targeted at grouped customers. Okay, A is also not correct. Why? Because the retail banking is not targeted against any specific mob, specific general, specific public. Okay. So banking facilities, these are targeted at individual customers under retail banking. Focus towards the mass market. We are focusing on the mass market, covering a large population of individuals. Offer different liability, asset and plethora of services products to individual customers. Right? Various products we offer them. The delivery model of retail banking is both physical and virtual, both of them. So that's why this C answer is wrong. Okay. Services are extended. What do you mean by virtual? Means physical and virtual. It means they are extended through branches also and through the machines also, ATM and internet, anything. They are extended to small and medium customers. So basically, this businessman, it means these accounts of proprietorship, partnership, okay, even private limited companies mainly, they are always you opened in the retail banking only. Okay. Even public limited, some of the public limited are also opened in the retail banking, right? It depends on the turnover. So the answer is D. Got it? Among the below given causes, which of the following doesn't come under the category of challenges faced by retail banking? Doesn't come. Remember this. Doesn't come. Again, you want false. That's why I say you focus on the question. Challenges faced by retail banking: consumer protection and pricing, inadequacy of MIS, understanding the KYC AML issue, and product appropriateness. Which of them is not the challenge? Not. Quite a tougher one, huh? Quite a tough one. Because you know everything, but which to answer? Which answer is to be given? That is difficult. So the answer is D over here. Product appropriate is not a challenge. Challenge means what? Where we face the limitations. Here, or what all can attack us? Consumer protection, definitely. Inadequacy of MIS, yes. Why? Because as the customer base goes on increasing, your MIS will always be a short of that, right? Understanding KYC AML issues. So these are basically the day-to-day activities. But product appropriateness, that is not the challenge. Because that's what we design. It's up to us to design, right? So all these remaining three are the factors that subscribe to the retail banking in India. Presence of an efficient delivery mechanism, product appropriateness, pricing scoring models are models for assessing the credit worthiness. Consumer protection environment, challenges of this retail banking consumer protection, pricing, product pricing, inadequacy of MIS, all these are basically your basic day-to-day challenges which you face. But this product appropriateness is not the challenge, because that's what you have to design. Okay, continue. If you have to continue your growth, you have to design newer products, right? So that's why the answer is D, not under the challenges. Among the following, which of the following doesn't come under the category of causes which make the retail banking more successful? Again, negative question, doesn't come. Look at this. You have to focus on the question, okay? Doesn't come, negative. Success of retail banking, product appropriateness, scoring models for assessing credit worthiness, consumer protection environment, and continuous growth. Now, doesn't come under the category for this growth of retail banking. So for this, what can be the answer? Growth or success of retail banking. It doesn't come. So which doesn't come? The answer is product appropriateness, scoring model, consumer protection, or continuing growth. This doesn't come under the category that of the causes. So continuing growth is not the cause, it is basically the effect. Okay, it is the effect. So the remaining three are the causes for success of retail banking. Presence of an efficient delivery mechanism and product appropriateness, scoring models, all these. Okay, scoring model. These are all the requisites based on which my bank can grow. Right? Consumer protection environment means this will also lead to the growth of my retail banking. More I adhere to it, the people will be more trusting my bank. Pricing also one of the important parts. I don't think so it's mentioned over here. Yeah, it's not mentioned. So even pricing is an important part for growth of your overall banking, right? But continuing growth is not the reason, it is the effect. Okay, so that's why this is the correct answer, D. Okay, one sec. Next one. Among the below mentioned statement, which of the following is correctly matched? Now look at this. Now you want correctly. So true one, true. Always you should decide between true and false. What is true? What is false? What is required? Okay. So correctly match. Retail banking focuses strictly on consumer markets. False. Retail banking is a service that is geared primarily towards individual consumers. True. For designing retail banking product and services, customers can broadly be grouped together based on their need pyramids. False. For designing retail banking products and services, customers can be grouped together based on their income, age, geography, profession, gender, and family size. That is false. So now you want correctly matched. Which one is correctly matched? Think over it. Yes. What can be the answer in this? Yeah. Correctly matched. The answer is B. B. Okay, this is a true answer. True. See here, retail banking focuses strictly on consumer markets. So is it focusing only on consumer markets? No. We have SMEs also. MSME we call it. They are also the customers of retail banking. We have current accounts, right? So we focus on MSMEs also. So that's why this is false. Okay. So, yeah, got it. So no, coming back to this point, focuses mainly on retail consumer markets. So this question actually it is true because mainly focuses on consumer market. So we have this current account, but who's our main customer base? Our main customer base is this consumer markets. Okay, so that's why this should be true over here. Okay, so this is not correctly matched. Second one, for designing retail banking products and services, customers are broadly classified, grouped based on their need pyramids. What are need pyramids? Maslow's hierarchy. Physiological, safety, social, esteem, and that actualization. But that is given as false. It should be true over here. So that is also incorrectly matched. For designing retail banking product services, customers can be grouped together as per this blah 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 everything. That should be true, but that's given as false. So that's why the answer is B. That geared primarily towards individual consumers. Main is this individual consumer. That is the base core of our banking, retail banking. Okay. Among the following, which of the following, which is correctly matched on the basis of the income level and a customer segment? Yeah. Yes. So 10 to 50 lakhs mass affluent. This 50 to 400 lakhs high net worth. H&W. Okay. 400 to 4,000 lakhs. This is what? Super H and W. It should be W. Let me make this W. Okay, hold on. One sec. So H and W over here. One sec. High net worth we call it. No, it's W. Okay. Then 400 to 4,000 to 1 lakh 20,000 lakhs. Huh? Remember, it's a huge amount. Ultra H and W. So now the question is, among the following blah blah blah, which of them is correctly matched? Correctly. Okay, you want the correctly matched answer. So the answer for this will be, the answer is A, mass affluent. Okay, this is the answer. 10 to 50 lakhs is mass affluent. See here, as per your books, you don't have to look into this super H and W and ultra H and W. Our retail banking mainly focuses on mass affluent customers. These are the core of your banking. Okay, these H and Ws are not the core. Smaller investments. That is basic logic. Okay. So here it's like this. 2 to 10 lakhs. It's mass market we call it. 2 to 10 lakhs mass market. 10 lakhs to 50 lakhs mass affluent. Okay. Then 50 lakhs to 400 lakhs super affluent. 400 lakhs to 4,000 and all these remaining ones H and W, super H and W, and above this 4,000 to what 1 lakh 20,000 1 lakh 20,000 lakhs. So that is super H and W, and after that it is ultra H and W. See here, these definitions can go separately, but what's important is 2 to 10 lakhs mass affluent. Also, I would suggest nowadays we are focusing due to the Jan Dhan accounts. They have also brought in a lot of money into our banks. So this mass market can now be classified from 0 to 10 lakhs, not from 2 to 10 lakhs. It can be classified from 0 to 10 lakhs as mass market. Earlier, the banks used to calculate this as 2 to 10 lakhs, and below 2 lakhs, we didn't consider these customers as our customers only. But now this thing has gone. Now it is becoming 0 to 10 lakhs. Okay. Very important part and very important change in this. So that was it about the mass affluent, HNV, high net worth, everything. Okay. Mainly the questions are asked in exam on mass affluent only. They generally ask that only. Now, as I told you that I'll be showing you how to join the Adda 24/7 classes at the end. Okay. So how to join this? Go to Adda 24/7. Say this. Go to Adda 24/7. I'll always suggest you to go through the app. In the app, you get 1% extra using the coin systems. Click on JAIIB and CAIIB. Click on JAIIB October. Okay. Click on the Power Packed Revision batch. This batch. Ebooks, test series, online live classes, recorded sessions, live sessions, counseling, doubt solving, experienced faculties, everything you get it. At what cost? Click on buy now. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. 77% discount. Huge, isn't it? 77% plus 1% extra using the app. So join immediately. You can join the Mahapack also. In Mahapack, you are getting multiple batches per subject. Plus, you are getting that 78% off also. Use the app and the code Y432. 15 plus batches per subject you are getting. So join immediately. Okay? But never forget the code Y432.